First, we need to wipe off the dust of your figurine. Here are the materials that you will be needing. The epoxy putty, a 4-inch tile, a sculpting tool, a 150 grit fine sandpaper, a rotary toolkit if you have one, paints, and brush. When you cut a piece of this epoxy putty, make sure that you cut across, and there's two parts. There's this gray part in the middle, and then there's white part outside. So when you cut a piece, you make sure you cut across, and you will have both the gray and the white. Because if you only take, let's say, the gray part, and then when you need it, it's not going to harden. So make sure when you cut, you get both. So let's take a piece. Then you knead it together, you mix it together until it's one color, okay? And you can make sure you save it and put it back in the container. It's for future use. You can knead it with your hands too. Make a small bead of the epoxy putty and measure it. Since we're only going to be making a pinky finger, so we just wanted to make sure that it's not going to be too big. With a barbecue stick, poke a hole in the center of the putty. If you don't have a barbecue stick, you can use toothpick. Attach the putty to the figurine and smooth it out using a sculpting tool. The molded finger was too long, so I had to cut it. When the putty is dry, you can start sanding it. You can use the sandpaper, or if you have a rotary toolkit, you can use that, which is much better. Since the molded piece is very small and delicate, be extra careful when you do your sanding. While sanding, I accidentally cracked the molded piece, so now I'm going to make another epoxy putty to fix it. Now we are ready to paint. Cover with paper towel. I first painted it with a primer. Finding the right skin tone color requires mixing different colors. So this will require a lot of testing and trial and error on your part. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.